how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. Let's get right into it. First, make sure that Steam servers are online. Visit the Steam status website to see if there are any ongoing issues. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back up. If the servers are fine, the next step is to restart the Steam client. Close Steam completely, then reopen it to refresh the connection. Sometimes this simple step can resolve the sync error. Now, let's verify the game files. So right click on your game in your library and select properties, then go to local files, tab, and click on verify integrity of game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files that might be causing the sync issue. Next, ensure that cloud saving is enabled for your game. So in the same properties window, go to the general tab and make sure the keep game saves in the Steam Cloud option is checked. If the error persists, you may want to clear the Steam download cache. Go to Steam in the top left corner, click on Settings, then Downloads, and finally select Clear Download Cache. Restart Steam after this step. And there you have it. You now know how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.